burping contest. And if you don't like and subscribe, I'll come to your house and give you pink eye by farting on your pillow. I'm not kidding. First up is our little blonde friend. Say hello. Now burp. Burp. Is that it? Squirt. I can squirt a lot. Louder than that. Okay, your turn.
Oh, I wanted me. Dude, look how fat I look.
You okay? You do look fat with your fat nipples. Okay, I'm sorry.
You're not throw up.
I hate it when people do that to me too, so I'm sorry, we're failure. Line the camera at me. So
oh, that burned.
Okay.
It sounds like he's gonna throw up. You're shading.
Now my friend is power drum. No, you don't get more. You're poor. You know what? No one likes you. You're a failed aberration. Okay, like, subscribe, or I'll come in there and fart on your face and give you whatever farting on your face gives. Oh, pink eye gets pink eye.